So let's get into it. This is how we connect Twilio to Air.ai. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go down to phone numbers, okay? And then you are going to go to manage, and then you're going to go to buy a number, okay? Once this loads, you wait, okay? Now, now just add your area code 326, okay? Um, and then it's going to load some numbers. You buy the numbers you want, okay? You're also able to customize it so it has the last part of the number. So you're able to have 326 in the last part of the number. Gonna search for those numbers, and then as you're able to see, it only has 326 as the last part of the number. So you're really able to customize these numbers. Okay? So once you buy a number, just click this button and go back to home. Okay? And then we are gonna switch back to Air.ai real quick. So what you're gonna do is log in. We're going to move that around, and then we're going to go to integrations, and then in integrations, go to Twilio, okay? So now you're going to need to add your Twilio account SID and then your Twilio authentication token, okay? So let's go back to Twilio. So homepage, if you're not on your homepage, just click over here, click console, and then it's going to bring you back to the homepage. So copy your account SID, paste it over here, and then copy your authentication token, and then paste your authentication token over here, and then you click save, okay? So now, the first part of the Twilio setup is completely done. So the next part of the Twilio setup that you're going to need to connect is you are going to need to go to phone numbers, and then you're going to need to go to manage, and then go down and go to active numbers, and over here, all of your numbers that you bought are going to be here. So then click on a number that you have, okay? And then here is the stuff that you're going to need to paste. So for a call that comes in, it's going to be a webhook, okay? And then it's going to be this link over here. Let's zoom into it so you're able to copy it. So the link is https chat.air.ai / blah, 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 okay? So that's what you're going to need to copy for inbound calls. And then when a call status changes, you are going to need to have this link in, airhooks.fly.dev. And then, so these are the two links that you're going to need to be able to make your Twilio account work. Okay. And then, yeah, that's basically it on how you connect your Twilio account. And then some final touches that I would really recommend is that you would go to A2P. Okay. So search up A2P in your search bar, go to messaging, and then I already applied for it, but I would recommend registering for A2P. It's going to pop up over here, and then fill out your information. This just makes it cheaper in the long run. You don't have to switch out through so many numbers. If you don't want to buy A2P and you don't want this being registered under your business, what you're able to do is just buy 4 numbers over here, and then switch out through those numbers. And then once it starts appearing, those numbers start appearing in spam, what you're able to do is just buy brand new numbers. But if you just want to have like 2 main numbers, just go search up A2P, and then just search up A2P, and then register for A2P. That's what I would really recommend, just because it saves you a lot of the headache between buying 4 numbers every single month and then switching numbers, doing all of that. But the nice thing is Air.ai does switch out between all of the numbers, and yeah. So yeah, that's basically what I would recommend. And the nice thing about A2P is people say it's just for messaging. Yes, that's what A2P was made for. But the nice thing is, because you are registered with A2P, well, when you have 2 numbers, it will never register as spam. But like if you just don't want to register with A2P, then as I said before, you are just able to switch out between 6 or 4 numbers and every single month and just switch out like that. And lastly, I know a lot of people are saying the SEC banned Air.ai. Here is an article on what the SEC actually did. It's a very short article made by Air. It goes over everything. And yeah, I'll just link this right below this video. Then that means you are compliant. So now what we're going to do is just go back to Air. And then we're going to go to Twilio video agent. Wait for it to load, okay. And now what we're going to do is just show you that this thing works. Now what we're going to do is just talk to your agent, put your name in here, and then put your number over here, and then it's going to call you, okay. So now it's calling me. Ready. Now it's calling me, and then we're going to respond.
Hey, Emanuel.
Who is this?
Yeah, it's Alexander from Air.ai. How's your day going so far?
It's going pretty good. How about yours?
That's great to hear. My day is going pretty well, thanks.
So as you're able to see, it called me. I didn't edit the script. I did just copy the script from Air just to make this video. So if you want me implementing this system into your business, the link to book a call with me is right in the description of this video.